looking to buy his first car.
You come to see me?
I had to.
That practically make us family. Uncle Bobby B, baby. Uncle Bobby B.
Sam.
Sam, let me talk to you. Sam, your first enchilada of freedom awaits underneath one of those hoods. Let me tell you something, son. A driver don't pick the car. The car pick the driver. It's a mystical bond between man and machine. Son, I'm a lot of things. A lie's not one of them. Especially not in front of my mammy. That's my mammy. Hey, mammy! Oh, don't be like that. If I had a rock, I'll you know? Well, over here, every piece of car a man might want or need.
This ain't bad. This one's got racing stripes.
Yeah, you got racing? Yeah, what the heck is it? I don't know nothing about this car. Manny!
What?
What is this? This car, check it out.
I don't know, boss. I've never seen it. That's loco.
Don't go Ricky Ricardo on me, Manny. Find out.
Feels good.
How much?
Well, considering the semi-classic nature of the vehicle, with the slick wheels and the custom paint job.
No, but the paint's faded.
Yeah, but it's custom.
It's custom faded?
What is your first car? I wouldn't expect you to understand. $5 grand.
No, not paying over 4. Sorry.
Kid, come on, get out the car.
No. You said cars pick their drivers.
Well, so now this one here for 4 G's to Butte.
There's a Fiesta with racing stripes over there.
No, I don't want a Fiesta racing stripes.
This is a classic engine right here. I sold a car the other day.
Jeez, holy cow.
No worries. I get a sludge hammer and knock this right out. Hey, Manny, get your clown cousin and get some hammers and come bang this stuff out, baby.
Break with this man.
That one's my favorite. Drove all the way from Alabama.